Hi there, how's it going? Welcome to our channel. Here is a place for providing healthy and quick recipes around the world for you. Let's dive into today's recipe.
The Greek salad. A vibrant tapestry of flavors and textures, it embodies the essence of the Mediterranean. Each bite tells a story of sun-drenched fields and the crystal-clear waters of the Aegean Sea. This simple yet satisfying dish is more than just a salad. It's a celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients that have graced Greek tables for centuries. From the bustling markets of Athens to the quiet villages of Crete, the Greek salad is a beloved staple. Its origins may be humble, but its impact on global cuisine is undeniable. Today, it is enjoyed in homes and restaurants around the world, a testament to its universal appeal. While the exact origins of the Greek salad are shrouded in history, its roots can be traced back to ancient Greece. It was a time when the land was rich with olive groves and vineyards, and the diet was simple yet nutritious. In a land where fresh produce and seafood were plentiful, it's no surprise that this simple combination of ingredients became a staple. The Mediterranean climate provided the perfect conditions for growing the freshest vegetables and herbs. Tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, olives, and feta cheese, all kissed by the sun and seasoned with the finest olive oil and oregano, are the heart of this dish. These ingredients create a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate, offering a taste of Greece in every bite. Whether enjoyed as a side dish or a main course, the Greek salad remains a timeless classic. Ready to embark on a culinary journey to the sun-drenched shores of Greece? Imagine the warm breeze, the sound of the waves, and the taste of fresh, vibrant ingredients that define Mediterranean cuisine. This recipe for Greek salad with sardines is your passport to a taste of the Mediterranean. It's a delightful blend of flavors and textures that will transport you straight to a Greek taverna. Here are the ingredients you'll need to create this refreshing dish. 1 cup of ripe tomatoes chopped, make sure they are juicy and full of flavor. 1 cup of cucumber chopped, for that crisp and refreshing crunch. Half a cup of red onion, thinly sliced. It adds a sharp, tangy bite. Half a cup of Kalamata olives, pitted. These bring a rich, briny flavor. Half a cup of feta cheese, crumbled, for a creamy, salty touch. 1 can, 4.25 ounces of sardines packed in olive oil, drained. These are the star of the dish, adding a savory depth. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. It's the essence of Mediterranean cooking. 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, for a tangy kick. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. It adds an earthy, aromatic note. And salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now for the instructions to bring it all together. In a large bowl, combine the tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, olives, and feta cheese. This mix of fresh ingredients is the heart of your salad. Gently fold in the sardines. Be careful not to break them apart too much, as you want chunks of sardines in every bite. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, red wine vinegar, oregano, salt, and pepper. This dressing will tie all the flavors together beautifully. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. Make sure every ingredient is coated with the flavorful dressing. Serve immediately for a fresh, vibrant taste, or chill for later to let the flavors meld together. Enjoy your homemade taste of Greece. Beyond its delightful flavors, the Greek salad with sardines is a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This Mediterranean staple offers a myriad of health benefits, making it a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. One of the most notable benefits is its positive impact on heart health. The olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, helps lower bad cholesterol levels. Tomatoes, bursting with lycopene, provide antioxidant protection. Section 4. Beyond the plate, cultural significance and serving suggestions. In Greece, the salad is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of hospitality and a way of life. The ingredients are simple yet fresh, reflecting the Greek philosophy of enjoying the bounty of the land. It often takes center stage on the table, meant to be shared and enjoyed with family and friends. The communal aspect of sharing a Greek salad fosters a sense of togetherness and community. While delicious on its own, the Greek salad with sardines can also be a versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. The sardines add a unique flavor that complements the freshness of the vegetables. Serve it as a refreshing starter, a light lunch, or even a midday snack. Its versatility makes it a perfect choice for various occasions. or a flavorful side dish to grilled meats or fish. The salad's crisp texture and vibrant flavors pair wonderfully with the smoky taste of grilled dishes. For a heartier meal, add a protein like grilled chicken or shrimp. This not only enhances the nutritional value but also makes it a more satisfying main course. Section 5. Bringing the Mediterranean home, embracing the Greek salad experience. With its vibrant flavors, fresh ingredients, and rich cultural heritage, the Greek salad with sardines is an invitation to embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle. It's a reminder that healthy eating can be delicious and that simple ingredients, when combined with care, can create culinary magic. So gather your ingredients, channel your inner Greek chef, and savor the flavors of the Aegean Sea in every bite.
The Mediterranean diet to lose weight easily. In recent years, the Mediterranean diet has gained widespread attention, not only as a model of healthy eating, but also as a seemingly effortless method for weight loss. With its colorful plates of fresh vegetables, heart-healthy olive oil, lean proteins, and moderate portions of wine and bread, the diet appears to offer a relaxed, indulgent path to slimming down. Countless health magazines, influencers, and dietitians have painted it as the gold standard for both wellness and weight control. However, the reality is far more nuanced. The question remains, is the Mediterranean diet truly an easy fix for weight loss? Or is this a comforting illusion rooted in selective understanding and marketing?